Hey y'all lovely people. We're out here today doing my tire finally. Plugging it up. We had to get a special jack. Pittsburgh. Low profile. Yay. Anyways, we had to jack it up because where the hole is at, we couldn't plug it without jacking it up first. Put soapy water on it. Yeah, I do see it. The little hole. You showed it to me before too, though. Oh, are you? I see it right there, baby. You asking where the hole is? I mean, I think I do. Yeah. See where the little white. Yep, see that? Oh, it's bubbling. It's foaming up. That's what happens. It foams up in the little hole. I'm so happy to have this jack. And it's safer too. That's why I'm happy about it. I'm just jacking her up, that way we can plug the hole. We put the soapy water on the hole. I've been having to like blow it up basically a lot, like every day, and it's starting to strip the little spot where, you know, you have to plug the air up to it, so that's why we're doing this. We're in the garage looking for a tool. Chicka wow wow.
These kind of tires, once they get below like totally empty, they come off the rim.
Oh.
Like they're bead locked. They lock onto the rim.
Oh.
And without the right tools, you can't set the bead.
So it's real important. Right now we're airing it up a little bit, and my husband was just explaining there that the reason we're doing that is when we go to take the nail out, air will come out. And we don't want it to collapse so much that it deadlocks around the tire, bead locks around the hubcap. Because I guess that's how they make them, to do that. So, yep. Just checking in with y'all. It's going good. Alright, so this is how this works. I was just explained this. So, we are going to pull the nail out with these. And then we have to clean the hole up with this, like right after. Everything has to be really quick. And then we're going to stick this guy. Oh, wait, you have to put rubber cement on it first. And they have directions too, so. But anyways, and then we are going to stick this into the hole. Boom. And see here, that little area, when we pull it out, this will slide through that open area. So that's how it's designed to do that. Awesome. And this will prevent me from having to buy a new tire. Plugging your tire can actually last for the rest of the life of your tire. No sidewall repairs. Only in the tray. You can't do sidewalls. So the tray, this is the tray, this area. The tread, sorry, okay. It's tread, and that's the sidewall. Getting everything ready.
This is not the best spot for it, but that's
the nail out?
No. Oh, you'd hear it.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna sound like you got a flat tire.
Looks like the head on that nail is damn near gone.
Yeah, it's there.
Huh?
I got it.
Ooh, I hear the air coming out.
There it is.
That's the booger.
There it is.
Little freaker right there.
I can get my full size pliers. I got the head out.
Oh, look at that.
It's like a, yeah, that's a, looks like a horseshoe nail.
Really? Oh, ooh.
Isn't that a horseshoe nail? I think
I
so.
don't know.
Looks like.
Dang,
Yeah.
that's what was in my tire.
That's why I wanted to fill it up first.
Wow, yeah. So much air leaking out already. So he's putting the rubber, or no, he's cleaning the hole up right now.
I just put rubber cement on it because it was hard to.
Oh, okay.
It's a small hole. I knew it was going to be small because of the size of the nail. So I
Right.
got to clean it out pretty good.
By the way, y'all, Matt is an expert at plugging tires. His friends call him up to do it.
expert at plugging
He
tires.
laughs. He's humble about it, but he's very good at it. Maybe not the expert, but he's very,
I've done a couple.
yeah.
You just put it like that.
He's done quite a couple. Why are you jamming it in there so much?
Because I need to clean the hole. I need to make it bigger.
Oh.
Otherwise, I won't be able to shove that in there.
Oh, okay.
Or if I do, I'll end up ripping it, which I've done
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Ideally, I'd be able to go like this,
Right.
and ream it back and forth, but it's really small, so I can't do that.
That's
Can you turn that pump on?
Yeah. I had to go turn the air pump on because you're losing air while we're cleaning the hole.
What PSI was it
Let me see.
at? It takes one.
Yep. We're just sitting here trying to figure out where I was at and what I ran into. How I got
drive it too, so
a horseshoe nail in here. He was saying that typically they're found on horse farms, and I mean, I kind of live near the country, so, and I go out to the country occasionally, so that's probably what happened. But it's great because these kits are only like $10 or something, or less. And instead of buying a new tire, save yourself some money. He's still working that hole right now, basically trying to get it loosened up and cleaned up and ready to put the plug in. So we'll get back to y'all. Got the hole cleaned up sufficiently and we are ready. He's getting this prepped. Put the rubber cement on. You just put some of that on there.
Oh, you know what? Grab me a pair of safety glasses in the car.
Yes,
I've got
sir.
rubber cement.